My name is Alex Brown. I am the managing attorney of the Business Litigation section at Lanier Law Firm. So business litigation is where your client is a business and it's been harmed by another business. It could be breach of contract. It could be a fraud that was committed on the company. It could be a competitor that's not playing fair. A variety of different things, but the gist of it is that it's a business versus another business. You know, people feel like they can't do anything because some big, huge corporation has ruined their small business, but we give them hope.
My name is Zeke DeRose, and I'm a senior attorney in the Business Litigation Group here at the Lanier Law Firm. I guess I've always been interested in the role that the jury and our court system plays as the great equalizer in our country. Our version of capitalism and our democracy is really held together by the rule of law. And it's the idea not only that you can enter into a contract, but that you can have that contract enforced. And that comes from the Seventh Amendment's right to a jury trial.
I became an attorney because I wanted to represent folks that had been wronged, is basically it. I grew up around the courtroom. My father was an expert witness in many cases on the criminal side, and I was just fascinated by the chess match, the battle that goes on in court, the intellectual combat that happens, and I just found it fascinating. And I wanted to represent people who found themselves in a situation where the only place they can find any type of relief was in the courtroom. I started at a very large law firm in Houston, representing corporations, but I always felt like I was on the wrong side. I was always defending corporations, and I wanted to be on the other side. I mean, the client decides what success looks like. That's the most important thing. When I meet with a client, I'll say, what does success to you look like for this case? And they'll tell me, and that's our goal, period. Obviously get cases referred to us all the time, and we are very flexible with what that arrangement can look like as far as percentages, as far as their role. A lot of times if a referring attorney wants to be involved, great, come on, be a part of the team. We're fine with that. If you want to just send us the case and have us go on our way and let you know when it resolves, we can do that too.
So I was practicing at an international law firm for a while, and one of my good friends there left and joined the Lanier Law Firm. So Mark was doing a trial out in California in a federal court in LA, and a big food case, $1 billion food case, and they asked me to come out and help do one of the mock juries with them. And so one turned into two, and the next thing I knew, we were at trial. And so I was helping out behind the scenes, and realize then and there that it's not only high quality work, but have an opportunity to work with really good people and people you like being around 24 hours a day. They're not just cases, they're causes. They're meaningful. There's a purpose behind them, and we're having a good time doing them.